How to use live wallpapers from Zedge. First of all, open the Zedge app and make sure you are on the home screen. At the bottom, tap on the Wallpapers tab. Next, look for the live wallpaper or video wallpaper section. You can either scroll through the home page or tap on categories and select live wallpapers to view only animated options. If you are looking for a specific style, use the search bar at the top and type in keywords like live nature, animated space, or moving background. Once you find the live wallpaper you like, tap on it to open the preview. Then tap the download button inside the purple circle. You will be required to either watch an ad or use a credit to unlock the live wallpaper. After that, tap on Set Video Wallpaper. Then tap Set Wallpaper and choose whether you want to apply it to your home screen only or both home and lock screen. Once selected, the live wallpaper will be applied and active, giving your screen a dynamic and animated look. Now you know how to use live wallpapers from Zedge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.